Hello friends, we are going to learn Teacher's Day speech. Good morning everyone. My name is Neha. Today I am happy to speak about Teacher's Day. Teacher's Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birthday is celebrated as Teacher's Day. He was a great teacher and the second President of India. It is a special day to thank our teachers. They guide us and show us the right path. We are lucky to have such good teachers. Happy Teachers' Day to all our lovely teachers. Thank you.